Hi guys, I'm Nadia Kristianawate. I'm studying English department in Daman Dallas University. Alright, I here will tell you about a film entitled Enola Holmes. This film was released in 2020. It was directed by Harry Butler and written by Jack Thorne. The story is adapted from novels written by Ned Springer. Without further ado, let's move on the story of Enola Holmes. Enola Holmes follows the story of Enola, the youngest sister of the legendary detective Sherlock Holmes. On her 60th birthday, her mother, Edward Holmes, suddenly disappears. A widow attires Enola refuses to submit to the strict social rules of the Victorian era that limit the woman's freedom. The time minute to find her mother, she begins her own journey, becomes involved in a major cause involving political conspiracy and the identity of a young nobleman named Viscount Tuscoburi. Now, I will explain the character in the film along with their personalities. First, Enola Holmes, the main character and the youngest of three siblings, played by Millie Bobby Brown. Enola is intelligent, independent, buff, and very sharp in reading clues and solving puzzles. She is skilled in self-defense and very creative, but her thinking is quite different of the older brothers in the film. Enola often speaks directly to the audience, breaking the fourth wall, which makes his story feel more personal. In this film, Enola runs away from Mycroft and the finishes school. This clearly shows her rebellion against the political system. She refuses to be controls the cause to decide her own path in life. When the she meets Tewkesbury on the Tyne, Enola is initially critical and cautious. However, over time, her empathic and caring side begins to appear. Later show her strongest intelligence and mental strength. She does not rely only on physical strength, but mainly on strategy. The second character is Sherlock Holmes, played by Henry Cavill. In his first meeting with Enola after a long separation since the mother left when Enola was 16, Sherlock opens school and unethical. However, he currently observes Enola's intelligence. When he realizes that Enola has solved several clues before him, his attitude changes. He begins to respect and admire her, even though he does not express it openly. In the final scan, Sherlock allows Enola to cause her part, showing in gown and exception of her independence. The third character is Michael Holmes, played by Sam Calvin. My Michael was enrolled to attend a finishing school. He is very authoritarian, rigid, and competitive. He saw Nola as a responsibility that an individual when Nola repeatedly escapes and shows that Michael is losing control, which caused him frustration. By the end of the film, he does not change drastically, but he begins to lose his dominance over Enola. The fourth character is Enola Holmes, the mother of Enola, Sherlock, and Michael, played by Helena Bonham Carter. Enola is independent and revolutionary. She studies Enola in self-defense and teaches him many important skills. She is a mysterious figure because of his sudden disappearance, which becomes the main driving force of the story. The fifth, the character is Viscount Tunkesbury, played by Lois Patrick. Viscount de Tunkesbury is a young nobleman who runs away from home and later meets Enola. At first, he seems weak and serious, but he is actually intelligent and can hurt. Over time, he becomes more open and turns into an important ally for Enola. He is deeply involved in the major mystery that Enola helps to solve. The character is Richard, played by Baron Gorman. Richard is the main antagonist who pursues Tunkesbury. He is calm, dangerous, strategist, and physically strong. He becomes absolutely used the time to both Enola and Tunkesbury and serves as the central conflict leading up to the climax of the film. The character is Miss Harrison, number 7, played by Fiona Shaw. On the finishing school, where Michael wants to send Enola. She is tied formal and strongly upon social rules. He character spends the social pressure placed on women during that era. The character is Edith, played by Susan Walkman. Edith is Eldian's friends and a Sugurth and the leader of a Scott self-defense class. She is free, inspiring, and supportive, helping Enola develop her physical abilities. Her role stands the time of women's involvement in the film. The character is Lady Canterbury, played by the character is Lady Tunkesbury, played by Heather Mohan. She is the mother of the Viscount Tunkesbury. She strongly upholds aristocratic tradition and becomes one of the main causes of the political conflict in the story. The final part of the film, Enola delivers a message about the freedom to choose one's own path in life, especially for women. She reminds us that future was in it is in our hands. That is all I would like to share. Thank you for attention and see you the next time.